Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Nike Metcon 4ID women's training shoe. Alright, so I'm not a shoe fanatic or anything, I'm not a shoe collector, but when I saw these while browsing through the Nike website, I knew that I wanted them. And these ones were actually customizable. You could actually customize certain aspect of the shoe, and you can get some custom text, and I'll show you that in a second when I do the unboxing. So I've saved this here. I haven't opened it or anything. I've just sort of peeked through the side and saw a little bit of purple because that's my favorite color, but I don't know anything, I haven't seen anything, so my reaction is going to be live. So this was kind of like a treat for myself. As I said, I don't usually make these kinds of purchases, but I love purple running shoes, and my old purple running shoes that I've had for many, many years, they're just worn out and they're old, and I just wanted an update. Alright, so without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Okay, I'm gonna face it to me first, and then I'll show you guys second. So I'm gonna just open this here. Here we go. It says Nike ID. Ooh. I'm sweating right now. I'm getting really excited. Okay, so check these out. These are really purple. Now, purple, this kind of deep indigo type purple is my favorite color, and purple has been my favorite color for a very long time now. And it used to be lavender, but it turned into like a deep purple, like an indigo, like this one right here. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the shoe. Can you see? Okay, now I'm gonna just put the box down and then take out the shoe itself. All right, so here are the shoes. And you can I'll just turn them around, and I'll save the text for in just a second, but I'll just show you them. Now this isn't like I'm not like I said, I'm not a shoe fanatic. I'm just sharing my, these shoes that I got. And so far I'm really liking them. What I changed was the color of this right here. You could change many different aspects. Like you could change the color of the Nike swoosh here. You could change the laces. You could change the whole color scheme if you didn't want the purple color scheme. But I changed this part from black to white because I wanted it to be more of a purple and white shoe. And then this part I left clear. Well, it's not completely clear, but it has like sort of a fade at the bottom, which I really like. And these are, I believe, a size 7 or 7.5. And here, I'll show you guys the text that I got. Now, you may recognize it from the very intro of this video, our little intro. But it says, dream, driven. And it's cool because it's actually stitched in. It's not like a sticker or anything like that. It's actually stitched in. And I do have to admit that I'm gonna be so paranoid wearing these out now because I really just love them so much. I love the way that they look, the whole thing here. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer and give you guys like a little tour of the shoe. So this is my actual real life reaction. This is my first time seeing these shoes live, was in front of you guys. I saved it, and it was kind of a treat for myself. I've never actually bought anything like this, so I thought it'd be a nice little gift to myself. So if you don't know what a custom ID is on Nike, they have this like little circular thing, like a little bit of a logo, and it's got like a little bit of a rainbow. If they have that beside a shoe that you like, that means that you can customize it. You can't completely customize it. Like, let's say if I wanted this to be purple and then this part to be red. They have different sort of themes that you can choose from and change. So for my shoe, I could add the text on the heel here, on the back of the heel. Other shoes, you add the text over here, you can add it at the bottom, you can add it at the side. Each shoe and style is different. You can change the laces, this color, remove this swoosh. Like I believe on this one you could have like a word or a text. You can change this little emblem here, this little plastic piece, even change the heel as well. So there's lots of different things that you can do, and this is totally customized to me. Like this shoe I felt like was made for me. So I'm gonna wear these both for working out and just, I guess, walking around town. I'm gonna spray them first to have them protected so that the dirt doesn't stick on and it's easier to clean. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. That is my live reaction of unboxing my new Nike Metcon 4 ID women's training shoe in purple. I'll have the links down below to this shoe as well if you like this. Also, you guys can go to the Nike store as well and check out a whole bunch of their shoes and customize your own pair. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.